Come on.
Oh.
It's alright. No problem. I'll wait a bit.
Roll your spliff.
You know what? In the meantime, I should roll me an extra one, put to the side. You're right.
Yeah, see? That's what I love about you.
Yes, sir. I got one just built still. I literally not too long lit it. Took about 3-4 drags. But I may have to just roll another one to be not stopping and all that shit. I should have joined first and then do the stream because I don't really like to watch stream and you know the first enter, not really mine, but people stream in general, and the first part is all like a 5-minute wait. You have to skip ahead. Alright, trees and tobaccos. I just went to get the fuck. Oh, here it is. Still, how many tickets left? Ah, I'm coming in.
Yeah, the game just really getting started.
Hope it's not no laggy server you bring me in.
I ain't glad yet.
I mean, not luck for you, but I may come in and get that lag. You know the game goes already, right. Alright, I'm on US. I'll switch to Chinese. Alright. Where is he? Oh, here, I found you. We're playing a sniper. Now let's run a normal 3x4 scope. Elo on you. Fuck, come on. Oh, this shit, making the keys. Can't put a beacon down up here. Whoa, fuck. Fucking they almost killed me. There was a guy here.
Objective golf
For real? What the hell? Hey Lord, let me see the fuck I'm at. There's I see a blueberry kill shooting. I thought it was shooting at me, but there's literally there was an enemy up here.
Objective golf has been taken. Have eyes on enemy site, which is west of your position.
Okay, let's see where the fuck I'm going. Moving cautiously. Oh, I see an opening. Oh shit, Lord. Oh, nice little spot. Yeah, putting a beacon down though. There's a guy going in the cave. In the cave. Are you anywhere near a cave? There's a guy in the cave. He's going towards Foxtrot side. There's one right there too. I fucking missed his ass. The guy's from Foxtrot. And also coming from Bravo.
Just west of your location, there appears to be an enemy sniper. Objective Delta has been neutralized.
I was gonna jump down yet, join the game a little late, don't know the fuck I'm at. I'm right above you, Lord. In the mountain, right above you. take my time. Holy shit, I'm on a tree. Look at this, Lord. Look the fuck I'm on a tree. Oh yeah, Elo.
I've spotted a hostile chopper west of your current location. Listen up. We've just neutralized objective Alpha. If you just look north to you, there is a sniper, an enemy sniper.
I got my swab.
You got your what?
The swab.
Oh, nice.
Where you at?
I'm way up in the mountain top above you.
Oh shit.
I jumped to the Elo, landed up here. There's a guy up here. Blueberry fucked him up before. Well, he saved my life, to be honest, because I didn't see the fucking guy.
Listen up. We've just neutralized objective Alpha.
Oh shit.
I'm coming down. Wait.
Just south of where you are, enemy machine gunner spotted.
That's Bravo. Can I get vision on this side?
Oh fuck.
There's a parachuter.
I spotted
Blueberry,
a
turn
hostile
around.
machine gunner south of your location.
Got hit. I'm not there.
Be advised, you've taken objective Alpha. I just lost control of objective Foxtrot. I spotted a hostile helicopter just north of your position.
Got you, bitch. Oh shit, I keep reloading. I forgot it's fucking hardcore. You won't be losing bullets.
I spotted a hostile machine gunner just south of your position.
Coming down on the hill. Parachuting.
Objective Echo has been neutralized. We now have control of objective Bravo.
Where you going, Delta? Oh, your beacon.
Eyes on enemy helicopter west of your position.
Gonna sneak around Gulf and see what's happening around Gulf.
We've lost objective Charlie.
I sit there and watch the helicopter explode behind me. There's right crash. I sit there and watch the dude's body just. Ooh.
Come on. Fucking hell. What the fuck is not dead? Fuck me, what the fuck is this shit? There's the light coming my way. Look at them, look at them, look at them.
Due north of your location, there appears to be an enemy soldier. Listen up. We have just neutralized objective Foxtrot.
Come on.
Shit.
Say family. I mean say family. Me love me family them to me heart. More no the earth one of them. Really kill it did it from the end. To the from did it to the end from the start. A real bird at them. But them don't know when we are buy 3 sardines and 1 plane buy from the shop. And they don't know when we are get chased by cops and the mac and the hand one shop. Oh shit, I just went and get the bomber by luck. And I know man make it now. No struggle feel. No all the pussy them.
Objective Charlie is neutralized.
No way, must be blood clot mother.
Objective Charlie.
This DMR ain't doing it.
Yeah, I'm going to have to change my sniper rifle. This map is... I'm doing good, well, but this map is a bit too... bushy. Hide somewhere nice and secure.
Be advised, we've just taken control of Objective Delta.
I need less than 50 kills with a pickup grenade launcher to master it. Every map I play in it, I try to use it. Just pick it up. I could have got 3 guys.
East of your position.
Well, I got killed. Let off 3 or 2 to 3 rounds and then I die. Get a kill.
There's an enemy machine gunner east of your location.
Yeah,
Losing Foxtrot. Oh shit, got a guy on the left pushing up Foxtrot. Look at him. Where is he? Here he is. Got you, bitch. You ain't going nowhere. Get on the back. Get on the fucking back. Let me kill you. In your head. Leech. They're leaving Foxtrot going up to your side, I think, right?
medic.
Sit your ass down, bitch.
We've just neutralized Objective Charlie.
Sit your ass down too, bitch. 2 of them kill upon low health. 2 of them kill upon low health, you know. 1 bullet and me dead now to ass. I'm the one low health than kill. That's a sniper.
Okay, we have taken control.
Oh, you're lucky! You're lucky his friend saw his ass. God damn. Where you at, buddy? I see you. There's a lot on golf, dude. Lot on golf. A lot of them on golf. There's a rock. There's 2 snipers on the rock. I don't know what fucking rock it was. No, this room. Come on. 1 shot, 2 kill. Ha! Look at them drop like fucking flies. Whoa! They got about 4 or 5 of them motherfuckers on golf right there. Can't spawn on it.
Objective Golf is neutralized.
Yeah, LMG from the right side. LMG right side, go.
We have control of Objective Golf.
Headshot through the bush.
Enemy sniper. West of your location.
Man, picture of a blueberry. Hey, oh shit. Must kill a friend.
Have eyes on enemy hostile. Just
They're from Bravo, Lord, and go Bravo. I think they're coming from Bravo. Yeah, Hey Lord, I need to reply to me, buddy. Can you hear me?
Hold on, I'm trying to get these guys stuff so we can know.
Oh shit, they're fucking up people over here. Charlie.
Where you at? Where you at?
Charlie side pushing Bravo. I see a guy on Charlie. Ain't got a clear visual. I think he's dead.
Listen
On
up.
Bravo
Objective
side.
Foxtrot have been neutralized.
There's a sniper on the hillside over here.
Listen up. We now
From
control
Delta,
Objective
sniping
Foxtrot.
down.
I need ammo.
I got nothing like that, dude. Bomber
I'm
and
hot on
Delta.
chopper. Just west of
Fucking
where you
guy
are
on
at.
the bomber. He must have came on the bomber. I said, come on the bomber and fuck him up, guys. Hope I don't die. Oh, you lucky piece of shit. As I shot the game. Oh man, that's bullshit. You should be dead. You know that game glitch at the end of the game finishes gives a little glitch. That's what saved his life. And 4, the sniper rifle ain't bad. And joining late too.
Hold on.
Woi, bonapa gua. I mean, say family. Me love my family. Them to me heart. One of the earth, one of them. Real king did it from the end, did it to this, from the to the end, did it from the start. Real brother them. Cause they don't know when we are buy 3 sardines and them 1 pound of rice from and they don't know when we are get chased by cops and black and non-drop. Nah, make them trick me and kill me. No way, you must see blood clot mad. Life are the greatest thing, dog. Me no live gold, and me no live my God. Hey Lord, get your attack jet. Nah, we didn't even get shit. Are we over any objective yet? Jumping out.
Just taken Objective Foxtrot. Just set the C4. Objective Echo has just been neutralized.
Oh shit. Fucking boat moved.
Spotted an enemy boat.
He saw me late. I thought that was the helicopter. I put the C4 on flying away. I detonate that shit quickly.
We have lost control of objective Delta.
Got boats. The outside of Charlie.
Just did some damage to the helicopter.
Oh shit, there's 2 boats.
Enemy spotted. Objective Foxtrot has been neutralized. Advise on a hostile AT soldier south of your position. Listen up! Enemy helicopter south of your current position.
Fucking lucky you moved.
Objective Delta has just been neutralized. Listen up! Enemy helicopter south of your current position.
Where did we go? Oh shit.
Let's take objective Delta. We've neutralized objective Alpha. We now control objective Alpha.
Come on, hold it steady, hold it steady. Come on. Shit, somebody see me, somebody see me, somebody see me. Thank you, Blueberry, thank you.
Listen up! Enemy boat south of your location.
Ah! I was on a fucking little street there, man. 5. Damn. Move your helicopter. Almost dropped on the blade.
Objective Golf has been neutralized.
Oh shit, 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 shit. Bitch. Oh, got you. That's the one. Oh, holy shit. Look, a piece of crap. Come on the hill. Oh!
Spotted enemy helicopter. Enemy chopper spotted. Enemy chopper spotted.
Oh, that's right there. Oh. of rounds at that Evo right there. Got a guy still coming from Gulf. Sure, I just see a guy down in the ravine right here. Sniper! Jeez. Nah, he got killed. God damn it.
Hey.
I got eyes on an enemy soldier. Hostile machine gunner's been identified south of your pause.
Yeah, let's keep flying over this way.
Sure, somebody just shot him. He looks so like he got fucked. He's still around. Oh, he got hit. He's dead. Jesus Christ. I hit your cockpit, huh?
Enemy personnel have been spotted north of your pause.
Jesus, DMR.
Hold on, Rambo.
Oh, they found my beacon. Come on, jeez. It's somewhere on land. A chopper.
I'm on to the hostile boat. Hostile boat west of your location. Development is now ours.
Come on, man, I did. Fuck. Oh, shit, I killed a bluebird. Fuck, I killed a friend. Fuck me. My bad, bluebird.
We have neutralized objective.
Shit. Oh, fuck. Fucking hell, what the hell did I miss that?
Fuck this goddamn jet up.
Come on, stop moving, dude.
We've taken objective Charlie.
Fucking guy.
Hostile boat has been spotted to your
Come on off my range on that shit. That's bullshit, dude. Oh my god, there's 3 guys right there and I'm shooting the guy and I'm shooting the guy and I'm shooting the guy. Come on. I prefer my 3x4, man. At least I can see that reticle. Bumbuckler. Oh, fucking shit this was, man. God damn it.
I can help you.
Oh, dude, ain't no fucking way.
Operating in your web.
There's a lot incoming fire up on the hilltop. A lot incoming fire.
Spotted a hostile sniper due north of your position. Objective Foxtrot is lost. North of where we're at, it looks like we got some AT personnel.
There's one right there. Oh shit. Come on, come on, come on. Oh shit. Don't this fucker come and kill me on the way. Run, nigga. Oh my days. Holy shit.
Call me if you want to make you kill yourself too, motherfucker.
Where the fuck did that come from?
Objective Golf is now neutralized. We now control Objective Golf.
Get eyes on an enemy chopper.
Objective Echo is neutralized.
What the fuck? Somebody shooting at me. Somebody's shooting at mine.
Oh.
Shit.
Objective Charlie has just been neutralized.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Let's drop the jet. Everything is locking on to me. God, bail. Where's the closest island? Holy shit, they're right in front of me too. Fuck you. Come on. Fucking someone is shooting at me already.
Get in, get in, get in!
I got killed by a swab under the boat. Okay, fucker. Sniper already. God damn. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. God, man, there's 3 guys coming across the water from Delta. To Delta from Charlie. nobody got medic around here.
Requesting a medic!
Have eyes on an enemy sniper. Just south of your location. We've just lost objective Alpha. We control objective Foxtrot.
And the medic. Yeah, 100 bucks to the left. Fuck is this guy? Sounds very close. Come on, man. Can't even see this fucker just hiding in the bushes and shit and wait for you to run past. There'll be a hem for it. Look at that guy. Perfect sniper from around here. He's dead.
Heads up! Enemy snipers north of your current position!
My fucking god. Yeah, Lord.
I'm at Delta.
Jump in this warthog. Jumping off a dam. Holy shit, how many guys over there?
There appears to be an enemy sniper east of your location. Objective Echo has been neutralized. Objective Echo is now ours. There's a hostile machine gunner due south where you are.
Oh, this went negative by 1. You ever played Armor? You ever seen I heard about a game called Armor?
Yeah, I seen it.
Dude, you need a PC as well, dude. You need a PC as well.
I do. I got one. I gotta get a new one though, cause I play a game called Falcon 4.0.
Well, I did basically. Man, I had a PC and it ended up broke, and so I said to myself, "That's PC was from the store." So I said to myself, you know what? I just build one where I know it can last for longer, and I know I'm building it for. So I just build one for gaming, and you know, fucking quick, man. I love it. I love my baby. She lights up like a Christmas tree.
Yeah, I gotta get me another one.
Yeah.
I'm just sniping this whole map. Fuck this.
Funny enough, all of my parts, all of my basically the old computer is from the apart from the brain, like the shell itself and the monitor. Everything else is from the United States, boy. Yeah.
I'm going for that 35. I'm gonna try flying,
Hold
but
on,
then I'm
give me
gonna
just
go
a second.
sniping us.
Quickly making a quick drink. Right there.
I'm doing long range sniping.
Have a little nightcapper. Sniping, we're doing long distance or just run snipe?
Long distance, you know I love my long distance. First, I'm gonna work off with the helicopter.
Should I use the gull? You're gonna use the gull. Okay, 40 and 14. Bipod stand. Where the fuck you at? Where you at?
I'm in a jet right now. I'm in a jet.
Viewers, I'm just gonna do a bit of long distance now. Hope you like sniping
We have
fast.
taken objective Alpha.
And the blueberry is going for a world record, man. I already broke the record, so I don't need to bother with that shit. I just need the elevated position.
Well, gotta go.
Down your ass already.
We've neutralized objective Alpha.
I'm not going for no record, I'm just going like a bit closer. I can see the
Good
battlefield.
work, boys. Objective Delta's been taken.
Oh shit. Sniper, 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 sniper. Top of the tower. What's the range on that bastard?
Somebody got him.
Yeah.
Objective Delta is no longer under our control.
I don't see nobody on that mountain side yet. Moving up. A little bit closer. Can't mark that jet.
Spotted an enemy jet.
No, I'm marking him when he passes. That's some bullshit. It's like he crashed too.
Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
I'm gonna work on this little stone right here.
Right outside Bravo.
I'm on the stone outside of Alpha. Oh, there's a sniper on the fucking back tower. Way in the back. I can see his bullet trail, but I can't see him. I can't see nobody right now.
Me either. I just got killed by a Brazilian though.
Where is he? Where are you?
I was on the mountain.
I saw you died, dude. You can't be on the mountain. Stop advertising yourself. Here comes a helo. You dead. We gotta repair the tank down in. I see repair shit going on. Delta area.
Soldiers, attack this objective.
Yep, no, the tank down there repairing up himself by the flag. Where'd that guy go? Got a hit. Count as a kill.
There appears to be an enemy sniper east of your location.
What the fuck is shooting at?
I was shooting at a guy over there. My fucking bipod won't fucking deploy.
West position. We got tank coming in from the back, way the back there, coming in on the main road.
Okay.
Neutralize objective Delta.
Watch him in case he get repairing. Take out his engineer. Oh, we got a guy right there. Come on, hold it. Oh, come on. He popped smoke. Delta. He's going for the tank. The tank may have got his ass. It was an alpha.
What a better vantage point.
Objective Delta is now under our control.
Keep seeing a sniper trailer bullet coming from the power, the freaking pipe areas down there in Charlie. I'm gonna move to the left of Alpha. Oh shit. Where the fuck is that bullet trailer coming from?
Advise, there's an enemy vehicle east of your position.
I see him, I see him. Left of Alpha, sniper. Where the fuck did he go? There is. There's two of them. Come on, man. He won't even see me at first, you know. It's shooting at somebody else taking cover. If I didn't have that strong scope, your ass should be fucking gone. Alright. You wanna play like that, motherfucker? Let's go. Let's go, motherfucker. Let's go.
Where are you at?
Left of Alpha. Where you? I can't even spawn on you. What the fuck you doing over here? There is a guy right there.
Damn.
There's an enemy tank.
What, somebody up here with you?
To your pause.
Nah. What the fuck? He hit me with a 6-power scope.
You're to the left of that freaking thing down there, man. Left of the building. Was in that building here. I can't see his ass now.
Spotted a hostile sniper.
Oh, there is.
Due north of your position.
I spotted an enemy sniper.
Fucking bitch. You got a perfect range down on me too, you know. Shit. Upstairs, left side. There's two guys.
Right, we got some enemy aircraft operating east of your current position.
We got somebody up here.
Up here?
Yeah, up here. I don't know what the fuck it though.
Blueberry's up here. Fuck them tanks down there, dude. No, motherfucker. I know he moved.
There appears to be an enemy helicopter operating north of your
I
current
don't know if that
pause.
tank got him or not.
Objective Alpha has just been neutralized.
There's one over there. One over there.
One over where?
Other side. Up on the hill with us.
I see him. Come on, Blueberry. Fuck him up. Fucking Blueberry, man. It's the same guy, you know. The same guy. And the Blueberry don't even kill. Now he killed him. Yeah, fucking idiots, man. I'm going in. You still up on the hill?
Nah, I went down and said, fuck it, I'm going inside the fight.
I'm going inside. What the fuck was that? Blueberry trying to kill me?
Hold on.
Bumbleclad. That's the downfall to the M4, that burst. It was good though, but that burst. That's the downfall I have with it. Kilo low.
Looks like we got a hostile
Yo,
chopper
shit.
operating to your east.
Hey, guys on the ground behind you. In the next building. Fuck, behind us. Hey, Lord, there's a guy about there, man. Jesus fucking Christ. And a fully automatic. And a fully automatic. Hold up. Let me go engineer class. Yeah. We got AA in our base in the hill.
You
We got
know.
AA in the base in our...
You guys don't know that he can
We've taken objective Alpha. Looks like there's an infantry to your north.
AA just locking me.
Hey, damn.
Come on, dude, that fucking laser guided shit, and I still got 8 pop smoke and it still hit me with a guided shot. Come
that's how
on,
it does.
damn.
Do anybody. Oh, come on.
Even if I pop smoke, that guided shell still can hit me. That's not supposed to be possible. I pop flares. I'll start camping on the fuckers like these guys camp. Oh shit! No. The guy's on the right side by the container. Motherfuckers camp that bitch. Thanks for that revive, buddy. Whoever revived me. Thank you. Damn. Evil coming in. Did he get shot down by a tank? I think he did. Oh shit, sniper. Right ahead, upstairs. Still on that roof. Was right there. I got tank. Holy shit, that sniper is fucking.
Oh, shit.
I would have did the same thing. and let down. You got tank. You got tank at the front coming up the road. He jumped out.
I have eyes on a hostile. 18 soldier, east of your position.
What the fuck? This dude just took 8 rounds from my fucking Desert Eagle.
I have eyes on a hostile tank, south of where you are.
I was leaving the fucking building now. I'm landing snipers back at me again. Elo. He slammed it, bro. Oh, thank God that round is over. I did not do well on that one.
Me either. Hey, got another job offering.
What for?
Doing pouring concrete.
Ha! When he said porn, I thought I was gonna say porn.
Hey, hell no.
Porn
I wouldn't mind
concrete.
doing it, but you have to do pouring. You gotta be bisexual. I ain't down with that. I ain't fuck with no dude in those situations at all. Fuck that. Hell no. I looked it up though. It sounded like at first it sounded like it was a hell of a job.
Concrete porn can be. Can be. Pay goods though, but it can be. I see a thing the other day, a video of like the guys making they're building this big fucking, I think it's a bridge, and the concrete thing became, you know, when they put the concrete in, they have to board it up and pour the concrete in for it to settle and all that shit. Basically one of the board became loose. Dude, you want to see the amount of concrete pours out. Basically all the wall was coming out, all the concrete was running like water. Alright, this one is okay.
We got this address. Hold up. See how far this motherfucking place is.
I'm gonna use a CS5. I've not used a CS5 for a long time, and I don't need no barrel load on the muzzle brake range. I'll just run it as it is. Alright, where's the Elo? Elo coming over our way on Echo. Loads of jumpers. Oh shit, what was that?
Now control objective Delta. I spotted hostile heavy armor due west of your current position.
Oh, there's 11D.
Listen up, we have just lost objective Delta. There's a hostile tank just west of your position.
敌军反坦克兵。
Shit, hell, this motherfucker ain't that far from where I thought.
Holy shit, loads coming through. Come on, he's dead. Fuck. Oh shit, one right in front of me.
I was down, bro. Okay, I'm here now, bro. Let me tell you how we do
There's
it.
loads of guys down there, man.
Yeah, it's no. I'm just fucking me up.
Got him, boy.
I fucked one up. I got his boy got me.
Whoa, whoa.
Objective Delta.
What the fuck? Across on the hill. On a house or some shit. That him there is. He's coming across, he's coming across.
Keep me covered, I'm going in.
Location appears to be a hostile enemy.
Come on. DMR.
Oh shit, watch your back.
I'm already dead. DMR took me before you died. You got that big M60.
Yeah, I got shot with that big motherfucker.
Stop. The location is a hostile sniper. Objective Charlie is neutralized.
Whoa. Stop your streak, bitch. Beatable baggins.
Listen up.
I wish you could see this
Objective
teabag.
Charlie.
Bagging. Which way we're going now, guys? We're going Delta way. Why do I keep reloading, man? I used to, that's a bad habit from the normal game.
I'm still trying to find a guy to kill.
Fucking hit the rock. There's a guy coming in from Delta.
Just lost control of objective Charlie.
Ha 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 ha. You kinda small. You kinda small. You kinda small.
Come on! Fuck you running into.
Damn it.
You got phantom bow.
Objective Bravo is now under our control.
Where is he? Where is he? Holy shit.
There's two of them coming up that hill on my where I'm dead at.
I see you got phantom bow, right? There's two.
I got the one that got
The phantom bow got me.
Cannonball behind. Cannonball got me behind.
I think you got both of us with one shot. Fuck, they're here. Fuck, they're right by me, Fuck! Come on, man. That was hard of my ass. I just to run to get a little cover to turn around and it's on me. They may find my beacon now. Loads of camping, I found it. Fucking big gun over there, level something heavy.
Be advised we've lost objective Bravo.
Damn loud, man. 50 cal, 760 pick me up. Hey, that guy dead yet? I see he killed you with it, he killed me now. How is he camping it? God damn, I saw the laser light and I died. Couldn't even turn.
Where you get you from?
He's coming down from the hill and across from Charlie. They're all over you. I have to change up display right here, man. I'm gonna need some claymore and shit.
Can you bring me some ammo?
Right here, right behind you. Right behind me. Ain't he fucking dead? I'm alright.
What the fuck? Ain't he fucking...
I check a grenade and a guy did not even fucking die. He run out. Watch out, grenade! Oh shit. Yeah, suave. You killed the guy with the swab for real. Sniper to the left. Oh shit, guy up the top. Jesus. Get me that LMG out, dude. Fuck it. Enemy elo. Got jumpers on the roof. We touched down on the roof. Oh fuck! The guy on the roof.
Nah.
Yeah, he is. He's on the roof of Echo Top. Right above me. I've got more eagles coming up there.
Oh shit.
Where is he at? On the roof, right?
Nah, that's the helicopter.
They're all on the rooftop, man. I am fucking these niggas on the roof. Oh. I'm going to coming out on the fucking rooftop.
They off the roof now.
There appears to be an enemy sniper just north of your location.
God damn it. Dude, why you running in front of me?
Like killer friendly.
Yeah. Stupid fucking idiot.
Objective Charlie has been neutralized.
Fucking blueberry, man. Or the friendly kill me.
No. Yeah.
I do, man. Fuck. Sure. That's a shit why I don't play hardcore now.
Same reason why I don't.
Fucking idiots is friendly fire, friendly fire. Shotgun. Get out the fucking thing. I don't know where they're shooting from. Let's put inlet down there.
We now control objective
Pretty sure I
Charlie.
know they're enough to camp.
你快拿去！
Move towards Bravo.
Bravo. Where is Bravo? Where the fuck is Bravo? Oh, across. I think. I don't know. I must be going somewhere. I see Bravo where it is. Whoa.
Be advised we have lost objective Delta.
把家都灭了！对手来了！
Hey, Claymore. Don't go right there. Claymore. Move. Told you move, dude.
快拿！
I told you. Put you there for the fucking
Well, you
big
said
guy
move.
that like to go,
Objective Echo has
got to go get the
Look.
freaking 50 cal. I put it there for his ass. Don't go there. Look at this idiot too.
Fuck you in the play, man. We got, oh, shit.
Oh, right side, man. Got his
That's
bike
him,
put
that's
on
him.
his 3x4.
Oh, shit.
Put it in Bravo. Ain't pushing in Bravo. Come on, come on.
just neutralized objective Alpha. Good job. Hey, my vehicle is damaged. I need a mechanic.
It came from here. Who was here? I don't see nobody.
Listen up. We have just taken control of objective Alpha.
Oh, they got Charlie. That's why he spawned in there.
This is the current objective.
你拿好！
Hey, Lord,
Rest of your location. Have eyes on enemy tank.
until I come back and I watch the front.
There's the back.
Oh shit. What that came from?
Advise, objective Charlie is neutralized.
There's a vehicle. Friendly.
Car, friendly.
Okay, we have taken control of objective Charlie.
Where the hell you go?
Yeah. Towards Bravo side. Oh, that EOD bot. Oh shit, go. Hey, hey! I see two motherfuckers.
Have eyes on hostile.
Where you at? Guy ahead of you.
Yeah, I know, in that lab.
No, foot, on foot, to your right, it's to your right. I got love right behind you guys too. Fucking hell, let me move. I'm not good right here, I'm not safe.
Where you at? Where you at? I need some ammo.
There's a lava, he's coming in.
装甲车就在我们旁边。
Okay, hey,
Coming
I
your
need a
way.
No, I
mechanic over
seen it.
here.
But just pull it right here. Love!
清洗装甲车。
Be advised, we have lost objective Delta.
I'm gonna back around to Charlie. That love is pinning me down around here. I see the guy. Come on, deploy that fucking
Lab
bike.
down, lab down. Oh, shit.
What's up? Fucking guy on my left right there too. Oh my days. I know there's a guy there, boy. I thought he moved. I saw that guy in the room. I thought it was him. went in that freaking to kill that guy, the fucking guy to my left side. Oh. Suicide Lord, the lava and the tank. God damn. Fuck, really killed me from the wall. Really dead. Fucking hell, man. How the fuck I got LMG? You got a shotgun? Oh, come on, man. After this, I'm just gonna play a normal mode, dude.
Hey, look, I was doing something, bitch.
Stand back, Bravo side.
弹药听到。
Oh yeah, I got what I need.
Have eyes on hostile LAV, just west of where you are.
Where you, Lambo?
Up in the hills above Charlie.
I'm in Charlie. Chasing one.
Got a guy up here.
I'm at pretty
An
close.
enemy vehicle, due east of where you're at.
Sure, there's another one in front.
Objective Bravo.
Got a knockdown.
Fucking Williams here.
Be advised, we have just taken control of Objective Charlie. Just east of where you're at, there appears to be a hostile machine gunner.
Bitch. Lord.
My bad, Lambo. I love
Friendly
you.
fire killed me.
Hey, my bad, I said.
I had that dude too, man.
I saved your ass.
No, I had him. I didn't think I dropped from the back.
Be advised, Objective
I'll
Echo
kill
has
assist
just been
counts as a kill. Okay, where we at? Bravo.
Go get Bravo.
This is the objective I want you to attack.
Shit. I need a medic now.
医疗兵，
If I fly a pitch on me, I'm dead. I got Claymore the helo, boy. Don't go near that shit.
There's an enemy anti-tank soldier north of your position.
Get her. Bravo.
发现了一名敌兵。
Be advised, we have
You
neutralized
got a
Objective
fucking
Echo.
poison gas and he ain't dead. Oh shit. Ugh.
I got a laugh, Lambo. Where you at?
Fucking
We have just neutralized
come on,
Objective
Charlie.
Alpha.
是的，
There's a tank. Suck your pussy wood. One day must be more than one.
Men, keep this objective safe. We just lost control of objective Echo.
Love.
I'm trying to repair my lab. Fucking bluebird come through and shoot my fucking lab with a fucking tank.
We're taking control of objective Delta. There appears to be an enemy LAV south of your location.
You medical or you need a man? I need a medical.
我受伤了，我需要医疗兵。
Oh, you're in a lab. Fuck, you're killing me. Oh shit, I'm in. Yeah, I thought there's tree here, man. Sniper right there.
Spotted. Enemy LAV due south of your current position.
Can't you drive, nigga?
Hostile sniper spotted. East of your location.
I cannot drive that fucking room.
我发现了敌军船只。
Hold it steady. Oh, go. There's a guy over there. Hold that bluebird, don't get killed. Find the vehicle. Tickets.
Have spotted hostile
Oh,
tank due
bluebird,
west of your
oh.
position.
Hey, left side, Lord, left side. Double, got him both. C4. Got him. You big ass bitch. Love. Look at them.
Tank.
Fucking hell. I'm still getting killed. Don't spawn in. I'm still getting kills. Nah, we ain't gonna win this anyway.
I don't know, we might.
I responded. Nah, we ain't gonna win it.
Fuck it, I spawned in with you. Oh, come on. Didn't he
died.
shoot me at the end of the game?
Yeah, I heard it. I hear you go, huh? I heard that shot went off. Boom. Then I heard, huh? Probably went even Stevens or barely went.
24. Oh, I went positive 3. I gotta run real quick. Talk to my homeboy
1918
real
just
quick.
by. I don't know, man.
Oh, man, I gotta go get some more medicine.
Alright.
Alright.
Which one should I do? Do the metro. Let's just do this shit. Oh shit, no. Fuck, only Shanghai. Okay. Da-dum. What have we got? Let's go back.
We have lost objective Bravo.
Hold up. Oh shit. Man, here shooting at me now.
I've spotted hostile anti-tank soldier due east of your position.
Oh my god, I ain't going down. Shit, what the? 2 armor. Plus foot soldiers. Come on, why you stop running? Run, man, run! Get the hell out of here.
All units, objective Bravo has been lost. Okay, hey, I need a mechanic over here. Enemy machine gun. Objective Delta is now under our...
Damn fucker. I was trying to get that tank out of the way. Got hits on him. The man came with the fucking mirror's leg. Hate that damn gun. How long it took him to master that shit. That's good. Oh, come on, take a little fucking thing, man. Oh, the fuck, you're not dead. Holy shit.
I've eyes on a hostile LAV north of your location. We have just neutralized objective Charlie. Listen up. We're taking objective Charlie.
Bomber clot, that's so much money in there.
Yes.
Jesus fucking frag round. Loads of motherfuckers in that room. Like 4 guys.
Enemy breached our network.
Two got some sort of pickup, but that was very bad. Trying to kill him before he killed me. Come on, kill me by somebody. God damn it. That one motherfucker killing off everybody. Back door, back door, back door, back door. Payback, bitch. Another one, another one, another one. Shit.
We now control objective Echo. Be advised, we've lost control of objective Delta.
Bitch. They keep coming from the fucking back. They must have a beacon.
I have spotted a hostile helicopter just east of your position.
Fucking campers, man. Jesus, bitches. Blow, you blow. Bitch. I need to get a couple off the roof.
We're taking control of objective Charlie. Okay, I spotted an enemy tank west of your position.
You two can handle it.
Enemy helicopter spotted. Just south of where you're at. Okay, listen up. We have neutralized objective Echo. We have taken objective Echo.
That tank. Oh shit. Game's lagging. I can see you. You too. Oh, you did. Is he? Game's laggy as fuck.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Shut the repair too. Yeah, D, what house on that phone you and kill your ass, huh?
Be advised, objective Delta has been taken. There's a hostile soldier just west of your position. Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, what a shot. What a shot in the shell. I'm going to use the lockdown for that one.
Spotted a hostile tank. Just west of your position.
Come on, love, we're at the fucking tank.
Objective Bravo has been lost. I spotted enemy tanks south of your location.
This lab not even helping me. Fuck, did I get killed in action? That's some bullshit.
Be advised, objective Echo has just been lost.
Turn. We got tank there, sniper guy.
Enemy our network. The system is... Objective Bravo has been neutralized.
Oh, but they're steady.
Listen up. We have just taken control of Objective Alpha. There appears to be an enemy vehicle due south of your location.
敌军坦克被我们发现了。大家注意，发现敌兵。
Fuck.
"快来点炸药！ 好的，兄弟。
Objective Delta.
Shit.
Have
I'm out
eyes on
there.
hostile helicopter east of your position.
Is that you?
We've taken Objective Delta.
Oh, did I just took the helo? Yes, I did. No fucking flights. Oh shit! I took the helo down to the slums. Oh, my slums! Holy shit! Oh my god! Holy shit! I did it 2 times before, but I never did it again after that. Holy shit! Look at it, did it.
Listen up. Objective Bravo has been lost. We have just taken control of Objective Charlie.
Oh shit! Protect me, tank. Ah. I sniped hard.
Just east of your location, there appears to be a hostile sniper. Be advised, we have just taken control of Objective Bravo.
Okay, turning again.
Hostile UAV now sweeping the area.
What Goddamn sniper don't leave me alone. Anytime I find you, I just gonna bust your head. Serious.
I have eyes on hostile anti-tank soldier. Just east of where you're at. Guys, we have lost objective Alpha.
That's nobody. Fucking money shot.
Hostile UAV sweeping the area. Okay, there's an enemy soldier south of you.
Ay, ay, ay. Dude, shit! Dude, I know this tank can go faster than this.
Enemy UAV scanning. 发现了敌军直升机. Be advised, we've lost objective Bravo.
Go, man. What the fuck is shooting at? Downstairs, right on the right side. Push forward.
We have control of objective Echo. Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
Wait up. Blow this thing out, man. Blow this fucking thing out.
Hey, I can fix your vehicle.
Go, 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 go.
Jump, jump, jump.
Go. You're gonna wait till everybody surround us and engineers to think kill us all, dude. Motherfucker jumped at the fucking time. Oh, you idiot. Saved your life, you idiot, in that Jeep. You almost died. Yep, can't hit nothing.
Has spotted enemy vehicle. Objective Bravo is neutralized. We're losing system tracking and comms.
Oh, look at this idiot. Oh shit, don't jump, don't you fucking jump. At least one of you guys. Oh, the hell, he's not dead.
Objective Phantom is neutralized. Dear it. The status, we have taken control of objective Delta.
Look at this fucker on the rooftop.
South of your location.
Jesus. Stay alive, stay alive, stay alive.
West of your location.
Enemy missile inbound.
Worthless fuckers. Y'all worthless! There's more up here to do. Yeah, truck! Damn.
Neutralize objective Echo.
是的，发现了敌军直升机。
To south of your location, there appears to be a hostile force. We've just taken control of objective Charlie.
Rooftop, dude.
发现敌人。
Stand by, we have lost objective Delta.
Yo.
我看到了，我看到了，是直升飞机。
There's a hostile helicopter west of your location.
我看到了敌军直升机。 Be advised, objective Charlie has just been neutralized. 是的，我发现了敌军直升飞机。Be advised, objective Charlie is now under.
Yeah.
Hostile chopper spotted, just south of your position.
Shit. Come on, fucking. I'm gonna Delta for your fucking ass. Delta, we got Delta. Charlie, is that?
Just west of where you're at. That's eyes on enemy tank. Just taking control of objective Alpha.
He's dead. Shit, got truck coming up the road.
We've neutralized objective Bravo.
Where's that tank?
All squads, our network just got hacked. Comms is loose.
Spotted. Enemy LAV, due south of your current position.
Where's the parachute?
Listen up. We've just lost objective Charlie.
Got you, bitch, anyway.
Hostile missile inbound. I say again. Hostile missile inbound.
side.
Objective Charlie has been neutralized.
Be advised, we have taken objective Charlie.
Oh shit, you bitch. Fuck it before that could get there.
Have eyes on an enemy sniper due east of your location.
Snap that bitch.
Objective Charlie has been lost.
Oh! Whoa! Saved by the bell. Look at them all looking at me over there in the river pond. What time is it? It's getting late, guys. Sorry, I have to jump off now. But I'll be back on tomorrow night with a longer stream. 31 and 12. Oh, did good. Thank you for viewing. I'll be back on tomorrow, guys. Sorry, I have to go on short notice.